13th problem. The sum of the radii of two circles is 84 and the difference of their areas is 5544 centimeters square. Calculate the radii of the two circles. So we have to find the radii of two circles. Solution given. Let the radius of one circle be capital R1 and another circle be R2. Now sum of the radii of two circles. Sum of the radii of two circles. How much they have given? 84 centimeters they have given. Sum means what? Addition. So R1 plus R2 is equal to 84. This is number one, you think. Number one equation. Next, what they are telling? The difference of their areas. So now we have to find area of one circle. That is equal to, we know the formula, pi r square. One circle radius, what we thought means pi capital R1 square. Next, area of another circle, same formula, pi r square, that is equal to pi capital R2 square. Now they are telling difference of their areas. We'll do here. Difference of their areas is equal to 5544 centimeter square. Difference means what? Subtraction. Pi capital R1 square minus pi capital R2 square is equal to 5544. Now take pi common. Capital R1 square minus capital R2 square is equal to 5544. Able to follow? Now it is in which formula? A square minus b square. So pi into capital R1 plus capital R2 into capital R1 minus capital R2 is equal to 5544. Now we know pi means 22 by 7 and we got R1 plus R2 is 84 into R1 minus R2 is equal to 5544. R1 minus R2 is equal to 5544 into reciprocal 7 by 22 into 1 by 84. 7 table. 7 goes, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are. Now 11 table, 11 twos are, 11 fives are 55. It won't go in 4, 0 times. 11 fours are 44. 2 table, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 2 twos are 12 table, 12 twos are 24, 12 ones are, so 21. R1 minus R2 is equal to 21 we got. This is second equation. Now equating 1 and 2. What is equation 1? Equating 1 and 2. R1 plus R2, they gave us 84, and R1 minus R2 is equal to 21. Now add. If you add, R plus R2 minus R2 get cancelled. 2R1 is equal to, you're adding 5, here 10. Now R1 is equal to 105 by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 1 remaining, 2 5s are 10. So R1 we got as 52.5 centimeters. Now we are going to find R2. So substituting R1 in equation 1. Here otherwise 2 also, no problem. In equation 1, R1 plus R2 is equal to 84. 52.5 plus R2 is equal to 84. R2 is equal to 84 minus 52.5. So 84.0 and subtract 52.5. Here 3 will be there, 10, 5, decimal here 1, here from 8 you'll get 3. So 8 minus 5 is 3. R2 you got as 31.5 centimeters. R1 how much? R1 you got as 52.5 and R2 you got as 31.5 centimeters. They told to calculate the radii of two circles. Therefore, the radii of two circles are 52.5 centimeters and 31.5 centimeters. 15th problem. Two circles touch internally inside. The sum of their areas is 170 pi centimeter square and the distance between their centers is 4. Find the radii of the circle. The distance between the centers is 4. So suppose this is smaller circle, radius is R1 and the big circle will be R plus 1. So solution given. Let the radius of smaller circle be R1 and larger circle be R1 plus 4 centimeters. Now area of smaller circle pi R1 square. Next, area of larger circle is equal to pi R1 plus 4 whole square. Now in the problem they have given sum of their areas is equal to 170 pi centimeter square. Sum means what? Addition. Pi capital R1 square plus pi capital R1 plus 4 whole square is equal to 170 pi. Take pi common. If you take pi common, R1 square plus R1 plus 4 whole square is equal to 170 pi. Now pi get cancelled. Pi you can cancel. Now R1 square plus A plus B whole square formula. A square plus 2 4s are 8 R1 plus 4 4s are 16 is equal to 170. Now 2R1 square plus 8R1 plus 16 minus 170 is equal to 0. 2R1 plus 8R1 minus 154. If you subtract 154 is equal to 0. Able to follow? Now 2 table is common. 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 2 7s are 14, again 2 7s are 14 is equal to 0. Now we got quadratic equation form. Got quadratic equation. When we multiply, minus 77 should come. When we simplify, 4 should come. 11 minus 7 is 4. 11 into minus 7 is minus 77. These are the factors. Now apply. R1 plus 11 R1 minus 7 R1 minus 77 is equal to 0. Now R1 square. Here also R1 square only. Now R1 you are taking common. When you are taking common, one more R1 plus 11 minus 7 you are taking common, R1 plus 11, because minus into plus is minus, quite opposite signs, 0. Now in the first term R1 plus 11 is there, in second term also R1 plus 11 is there. So R1 plus 11 into R1 minus 7 is equal to 0. R1 plus 11 is equal to 0, or R1 minus 7 is equal to 0. R1 is equal to plus 11 goes that side, minus 11, or R1 minus 7 is equal to 0, plus 7 goes that side, minus 7 goes that side, plus 7. So we won't take negative, positive only. Therefore R1 is equal to 7. R1 plus 4 is equal to 7 plus 4. That is equal to 11. They told to find the radius. Therefore, the radii of two circles are 11 centimeters and 7 centimeters respectively. Accordingly, the larger will be 11, smaller will be 7. 17th problem. The areas of two concentric circles are 962.5 centimeter square and 1386 centimeter square respectively. Accordingly means smaller circle's radius is 962.5 and the larger circle is 1386 centimeter square. Find the width of the ring. The shaded one is the width that we have to find. Concentric circles, these are called as concentric circles having uniform path. Now solution given. Let small r be the radius of smaller circle, that is equal to smaller circle, and capital R be the radius of larger circle. Larger circle. Now we will find area. Area of smaller circle. Area of smaller circle. Pi r square. Pi small r square. And again, area of smaller circle. Smaller circle. How much they give? They have given 962.5 centimeter square. They have given. Now we are comparing pi r, because both are areas. Pi r square is equal to 962.5. Pi means how much? 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 962.5. Now r square is equal to 962.5 into 7 by 22. Able to follow? 7 by 22. Now simplify it. 11 table. 11 table goes. 11 table goes here 2 times. 11 8s are 88. 11 8s are 88. 11 8s are 88. Now 8 remaining. 11 7s are 77. Decimal is there, 5 remaining. 11 5s are. Now that is equal to, multiply 87.5 into 7, 35, 3, 49, 52, here 5, 56, 56 plus 5 is 61. So 612.5. Now we got 612.5 by 2. 2 table cancels. 2 3s are 6. 2 1 going 1 0 times. 2 6 are 12. Point. 2 2s are 4. 1 remaining. 2 5s are 10. Now we got r square is equal to 306.25. R is equal to square root of 306.25. R is equal to 17.5. Able to follow? Centimeters. Or otherwise, go for division method. I told you. Very easy method of finding square roots. So 306.25. For every two digits, write a bar. Nearest square, 1 1s are 1. Because 2 2s are 4, it will be more. So now 3 minus 1 is 2. Next bar is 0 6. Bring that down. Denominator down. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 7 times. 7 7s 49. 4. 7 7s 49. 4. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 28 8s, how much you know? 8 8s are 64. 6. 16 plus 6 is more. That's why we are taking 27 7. 7 7s are 49. Here 4. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 18. So 189. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 is 8. So now borrow here 9 and here 16. 16 minus 9, 7. 9 minus 8, 1. Here we have borrowed. 1 minus 1 is 0 only. Decimal is there, put that decimal here. Next bar 25. Here 7 is there, add one more 7. If you add 7, 14, here 1, 3. 27 plus 7 is 34. 5 times. Multiply 5 times. Because we are having 25 in the last. So 345 fives. 5 fives 25 to 20, 22 to 17. So exactly, so 1725. 0. So what is the answer means 17.5. In multiplications, in calculations, you have to be very careful. Division method. So now we got smaller. Next we will find capital R. Now area of larger circle. Larger circle. How much they have given? 1386 centimeters square. Area of larger circle is equal to pi capital R square. Now compare. Pi capital R square is equal to 1386. Now pi means we know 22 by 7 into R square is equal to 1386. R square is equal to 1386 reciprocal 7 by 22. 11 table. 11 2s are. Sir, how you know exactly you are telling means take alternate digits. Test of divisibilities. 1 plus 8 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Either 0 or divisibility of 11 should come. You know this test of divisibilities. So 11 2s are here. 11 1s are 2 remaining. 11 2s are 22. 6 remaining. 11 6 are. Again 2 table goes. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are. Now multiply. R square is equal to 7 3s are 21. 1 2 42 plus 2 44. So R is equal to square root of 441. We know square roots 441. 3 table because 4 plus 4 8 1 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 7s are. Again 3 table. 3 4s are 12. 3 9s are. 7 7s are. For 2 3s and 1 time. Here 1 time. 7 3s are 21. Prime factors method. This is one method. So R we got 21 centimeters. How much we got? 21 centimeters. Now they are asking width of the ring. So how to find width of the ring? Width of the ring is equal to capital R minus small r. Capital R, how much we got? 21 minus 17.5 centimeters. Subtract. 21 means 21.0 you write. Minus 17.5 you write. Borrow. Here 0 will be there. Here 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now borrow from here 1. It will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 3.5 centimeters. So the width of this one is 3.5 centimeters. Keep in mind. That is the answer. Therefore, the width of the ring is equal to 3.5 centimeters. 19th problem. In the given figure, the area enclosed between two concentric circles is 808.5 centimeters square. The part which is shaded, this area is how much you know? 808.5 centimeters square. The circumference of the outer circle is 242 centimeters. The circumference of the outer circle, not inner circle. Calculate the radius of the inner circle, and the second one is width of the ring. So solution given. First what you are going to find means circumference of outer circle is equal to 242 centimeters. Now, what is the formula for circumference of outer circle? Is equal to 2 pi capital R, because outer no radius will be large. So capital R, 2 pi R. 2 pi R is equal to 242. 2 into 22 by 7 into capital R is equal to 242. Now we want only capital R. Capital R is equal to 242 into reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 7 by 22 by 7 is 7 by 22. Now 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, again 2 1s are 11 table. 11 2s are 22, 11 11s are 121. Now how much we got? R. We got R. R is capital R is equal to 77 by 2. R is equal to 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 1 remaining, 2 5s are 10. So 38.5 centimeters. What is this one? Radius of outer circle. Outer circle is equal to 38.5 centimeters. Write clearly. Now, area of a circular ring is equal to, what is the formula? Means pi capital R square minus pi small r square. But they have given the area of circular ring is equal to 808.5 centimeters square. Now we are comparing. Now before doing this one, we have to find area. We have to find first area. Area of outer circle, because we got radius. Outer circle is equal to pi capital R square is equal to, pi means 22 by 7 into 38.5 into 38.5. 7 table. 7 5s are 35, decimal 3 remaining, again 7 5s are 35. Now multiply. When you multiply, how much you will be getting? Means 4,658.5. How much? 4,658.5 centimeters square. Multiply carefully. Now apply. Now capital R square minus pi into capital R square minus pi into small r square is equal to 4,685.5. Sorry, here is equal to, we are comparing now, is equal to 808.5. Now here 4,658.5 minus pi r square is equal to 808.5. Now bring 4,658.5 minus 808.5 is equal to, minus going plus came minus, now minus going from left to right, pi r square. Now simplify. Now 5r square is equal to 4658.5 minus 808.5. Subtract 0, 0, 5, 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Here 3 will be there, 3. So how much you got means pi r square is equal to 3850. What is pi? 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 3850. R square is equal to 3850 into 7 by 22. 11 table goes. I told you no. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 minus 8 0. So 11 2s are 22. 11 2s are 22. 11 3s are 33. 5 remaining. 11 5s are 55. 0. Again 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 2 7s are 14. 5. So r square is equal to 7 5s are 35. 3 remaining. 7 7s 49. 52. 5 remaining. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 5 12. So r is equal to square root of 1225. R is equal to 35. We will take prime division method. Nearest square is 3 3s 9. 4 4 16. So 3 3s 9. 3 remaining. Next bar 25. 3 plus 3 is here 6. Double it. 6. 5 times. 5 5 25. 2 remaining. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32. So 0. This is the way of division method. So 35 centimeter square. Now we got capital R and small r in our hands. Capital R we got as 38.5 centimeters and small r we got as 35. Now second bit they are asked me to find width of the ring. Width of the ring is equal to capital R minus small r. 38.5 minus 35, that is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Therefore the width of the ring is equal to 3.5 centimeters.